So here we have this really annoying piece of plastic here underneath my car. Scotty's gonna hook it up to my car onto his car. Oh, but it's a Garrett right then. All right. Go for it, dude. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, still under there. Might want to back up a little bit more. Oh, no, it's right there.
Oh, I got a piece off.
Is that from yours or from mine?
Yours, I hope.
Fucking just, I don't know, hauler. You have to back up more. It's good. Oh, my poor piece of shit. Dude, you better not rip my bumper off.
Try.
What?
I said I won't try.
You won't try my ass. Alright, if it don't come off, I'm doing it. I don't mean my bumper either. Come on. No, don't fucking rip it off. I came off his car. Alright, we gotta figure out something better. Cause fucking...
Did it come off mine?
Dude, you can't rip it off there.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Dude, you rip off that front fender.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
You rip anything off my car other than what we're trying to rip off, I'm smashing into your car.
You're gonna get that Caprice anyway.
What?
You want that Caprice anyway.
I know I want the Caprice, but fucking, you don't need to ruin my car. Dude, if my bumper comes off, I'm gonna be so livid. Oh, Jesus. I think it's out there.
You keep coming off my car?
Yeah, it keeps coming off your end. It's too tight on mine.
Like the bomb.
Dude, now your bumper's gonna fall off.
Right, that will come off. Wrap it around here.
Oh, dude, be careful. That's really tight. Alright, I gotta see what the fuck you doing to mine. Dude, that's gonna take off my bumper.
No.
Alright, fucking better not. Watch, it'll fall off his car again. Alright, that's good. It's good. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Look at that. It's clean.